Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm getting ready to turn this scarf inside out. That's for a Curvy Barbie from the pattern that Tina's Reborns, who is the hostess of this collab, sent us the pattern. And I got it all cut out and going and ironed, and I got to do my darts on here before I sew that together. But I'm moving along, and this is a collab, like I said, hosted by Tina. And the other channels involved are Dory's Dollies, Irene Huff's Doll Space, Ayla Avar, Little Crafty Kitty, The Doll Life, Playful, oh, she changed her name. It was Playful Reborns, but now it's Playful Doll Adventures, I believe. And Family Detort, which is Yetta in South Africa. I think it's so cool when she joins us from there because the time difference is amazing. The Doll Fairy Crafter and Mama Doll Boss and me. And what I'm doing is turning my scarf inside out because it's a lined scarf, and I'm poking those corners. And then I'm going to take it over to my iron, and along with my, I call this my pokey thing. It is a Chinese restaurant. Here's how I do my corners a little bit more crisp. Let me show you this. Better do this. Is I take and I make sure I pull out the seam, push it out from the inside carefully, because as you can see, I brought some strings through, some raveling through. All right, and then I crisp each, pushing from there. And then I will iron. I wanted to show you how I iron with my pokey thing to make it more crisp as I go. All right, let me pull this on around. And then I take my pokey thing and I have it inside of my fabric. First of all, I roll, stretching that seam. It's called finger pressing. And then I do that on each of the seams before I iron it. And when I see how I push that, I grip that below and push it. Can you hear my puppy snoring? She's sleeping over here on the floor by me, and I can hear her snoring. I leave this inside so that if I need to, I can push that as I am ironing. But usually with the finger pressing, that gets it pretty good. When I get over here, what I will do is, I don't want to do this area yet because I want to do the rest first. Fold that under, press it down, and then sew that shut. Before I show you the final product, I want to mention Penny's channel, Playful Reborns. She and Keith do an awful lot for the community, and they really go all out on their channel. And it is now Playful Doll Adventures. And I couldn't remember it in the opening, so I wanted to give them a little shout out here. Here she is with the little dress and the little scarf, and show you the little dress. I think it's kind of cute. To me, it's not summer, it's early spring. You can put this on as it gets cooler in the mornings and the evenings, but have a cute little dress underneath. I think that the pattern called for too much fabric for the skirt, but that's just my opinion. But I like it. Yeah, I mean, it's cute enough. I think the darts are a little too big too, but overall, I think it's pretty cute. I was going to do the shrug so that it was purple, but then I decided to just, okay, I'm lying. I messed up and I sewed it with the tie-dye side out. And I thought, oh, well, it's pretty cute that way. But the fit and everything from the pattern is pretty good. I like that. Tina, thank you so much. And let's get another look at her with her little outfit from the pattern that Tina sent um, for the collab with all the sewing ladies. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Oh, I don't have her shoulder on right. Let's get it straightened out here a little bit more. There we go. There we go. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. I really hate these flat feet. I like high heels on Barbies, but that's what she has, and that's what we're using for shoes.